Why is it that the people we love most can hurt us the deepest? Why do family gatherings sometimes feel like walking through a minefield? What if I told you that your most challenging family relationships are actually your greatest spiritual teachers? I am you. And when you understand what this means within your family system, everything changes. Stay with me. I'm Dr. Herman L. King, ambassador of the infinite I am. And today we're diving deep into something that affects every single one of us. Healing our family relationships, whether it's parents who don't understand you, siblings who push every button, or extended family drama that seems to never end. I'm going to share the I Am You method, specifically designed for family healing. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your family dynamics exist, and you'll have a proven method to transform any family relationship from the inside out. Here's what makes family relationships so uniquely challenging. They know how to push buttons you didn't even know you had. They can take you from feeling like an evolved spiritual being to acting like you're 12 years old again in about 30 seconds. And here's why traditional family advice doesn't work. People say, just set boundaries, or you can't choose your family, but you can choose how you react. But they're missing the deeper spiritual truth. Your family didn't choose you randomly. Your soul chose this exact family configuration to learn specific lessons about love, forgiveness, and remembering who you really are. Every family trigger is a sacred assignment disguised as dysfunction. The reason you keep having the same fights, the same patterns, the same frustrations is because you're trying to change them instead of recognizing what they're here to teach you. Here's the revelation that changes everything about family healing. I am you. You are I am. And this is especially true within your family system. Your family members are not separate souls who happen to share your DNA. They are aspects of your own consciousness, playing specific roles to help you evolve. That critical parent, they're showing you where you criticize yourself. That rebellious sibling, they're reflecting your own relationship with authority and freedom. Your family is a sacred mirror system. Every person in your family is reflecting back to you something you need to see, heal, or integrate about yourself. When you understand this, family healing becomes not about fixing them, but about healing the parts of yourself they're showing you. Now let me teach you the I Am You method, specifically adapted for family healing. This is a 4-step process that works with any family relationship. Step 1, the family recognition. When you're triggered by a family member, before you react, before you defend, before you attack, pause and silently say, I am you, and you are here as my teacher. Look beyond their behavior to their essence. See them not as your annoying brother or controlling mother, but as a soul who loves you enough to play a difficult role in your spiritual growth. Feel into the truth. I am you, you are I am. Step 2, the generational mirror. Ask yourself, what pattern am I seeing in them that runs through our family line? Because family dysfunction is rarely about just one person. It's about generational patterns seeking healing. If your parent is emotionally unavailable, look at their parents. If your sibling struggles with addiction, look at the family relationship with escapism. You're not just healing your relationship with them, you're healing patterns that may have been passed down for generations. Then ask, how does this pattern show up in me? Because you can only heal what you're willing to see in yourself. If you judge their anger, where are you angry? If you resent their neediness, where are you needy? This is the most powerful step. Ask, what is my soul learning through this relationship? Every difficult family member is giving you a sacred assignment. Maybe your controlling parent is teaching you about healthy boundaries. Maybe your distant sibling is teaching you about unconditional love. Maybe your dramatic aunt is teaching you about emotional regulation. When you see their behavior as a sacred assignment rather than a personal attack, everything shifts. You stop being a victim of family dysfunction and start being a conscious participant in family healing. Step 4. Finally, send a blessing not just to them, but to your entire family lineage. Say, I heal this pattern for all who came before me and all who come after me. May our family line be a source of love, not pain. May we remember, I am you, you are I am. We are one family learning to love. This step is crucial because when you heal a family pattern, you're not just healing it for yourself, you're healing it for your children, your grandchildren, and even healing it backwards through your ancestral line. Let me share how this worked in my own family. I had a family member who constantly gave unsolicited advice about my life choices. Traditional thinking would say, set boundaries or tell them to stop. But using the I am you method, I asked, what sacred assignment is this? I realized they were showing me how I gave myself constant unsolicited criticism. They were reflecting my inner critic back to me. Instead of trying to change their behavior, I began healing my relationship with my own inner voice. I started speaking to myself with more trust, support, and love. And here's what happened. Without me saying a word to them about their advice giving, they gradually stopped. Because I am you, you are I am. When I healed that pattern in myself, it had no place to live in our family dynamic. The relationship transformed from one of irritation to one of genuine appreciation for the mirror they had provided. Here's what most people don't understand about family healing. Your family chose you, and you chose them before you were born. Your souls made agreements to help each other evolve through love. And sometimes that love looks like conflict, challenge, and growth. Every family argument is two souls trying to remember their unity through the illusion of separation. Every family wound is love asking to be healed. Every family pattern is an invitation to break cycles of pain and create cycles of love. When you truly understand I am you, you are, I am within your family, judgment becomes impossible. How can you judge yourself? Resentment becomes pointless. How can you resent a teacher? And unconditional love becomes natural. How can you not love yourself? Your practice, choose one family relationship that needs healing. Use the 4 steps of the I am you method. Remember, this isn't about becoming a doormat or accepting abuse. It's about healing from such a deep place of love that healthy family dynamics become inevitable. Start with the family member you feel most ready to heal with, not necessarily the most challenging one. Build your family healing muscle gradually. If this resonates with your family experience, let me know by commenting family healing below. And I'll respond with a blessing for your entire family lineage. Subscribe for more methods to heal your relationships and remember who you really are, and share this with any family member who might be ready to heal together. Remember, your family is your first spiritual community. Every family member is you in another form, helping you learn the deepest lessons about love. I am you, you are I am, and this is especially sacred within the family. May your family be healed. May your lineage be blessed.